Ooh, I got a few things to get rid of before company arrives. If I have them, so do you. Come on over. Making guests feel welcome, one home at a time. Before your company actually crosses the state, county, or city line, you need to get rid of some things in your house that you just kind of have going, but they're not guest worthy. I have 7 of them, and you'll want to stick around for the last one because it's small but mighty. Let's talk about this. Now, paper towels are a beautiful thing, but if you have them in your powder room, this is not a towel. This is a towel. Look how beautiful this towel is. Wouldn't your guests just love to wipe their clean hands on a beautiful towel? Paper towels belong in the kitchen, under the sink, and that's where they need to go. A bonus, there's probably already a towel ring to put your towel on. Do it. Quick and easy fix. All right, now let's talk about other things in your guest bath. The grocery bag that you're using to collect trash, just hooking it on the door and your kids just throw it in there or miss and throw it on the floor or use it for practice. This is not for guests. This is for your groceries. So let's use an actual trash can. Now, I picked this up, I think, at Walmart or even the dollar store for less than $5. Super, super affordable. You can use it like this. You can put that same bag in here if you need to. I advise against it unless you're really worried about the interior. It holds beautifully. Very quick fix. Okay, moving on to your kitchen. We have what we call the non-company oven mitts. And if Jimmy's in charge of the oven mitts, they're usually stained, food is caked on them, we might have burn marks. Okay, this is not the time to have your grungy oven mitts out because a lot of people will watch you in the kitchen and they'll think, I don't want to eat anything this food caked oven mitt touches. Don't do that. Toss it, maybe wash it for later, and you can just use a kitchen towel. That's what the chefs do. They have them tied on their aprons. They come in and they pull things out, easily washable, and a much better look for your kitchen. But not just any towel. I did a whole episode on kitchen towels and their proper uses. We'll link it down below. Give it a watch. And if you get anything useful out of this video, please like, subscribe, and comment because we're a community. Join the community. We all learn from each other. Let's move on to your guest space in case your guests are overnight guests. Now, this sheet that you've been using for a curtain for your kids' friends who come over and camp out and it's just over the window, this is not a curtain. It's a beat. Let's go get curtains. Why not? They are cheap. I bought our guest curtains on the buy sell trade for $20. $20. They're blackout curtains. I already had the curtain rod. I just threw them on there and they work beautifully. Not a curtain. Curtains are curtains. Go get some. And while you're in that guest space, go ahead and start breaking down those really good boxes. I know. It's hard to let go of really good boxes. You might have something tubular you need to put in here one day, right? But today is not that day. So break them down, put them in the garage, send them to recycling, whatever you need to do to get this out of the guest space. Very quick fix. Maybe one of the quickest and cheapest fixes you can do is to get rid of dead plants. Now, if company were on their way, and first of all, it's very hard for me to even look at this. If you know me, I had to save this to shoot this video. Dead plants look like neglect. Even if you're just letting the greenery die back, you don't have to replace them. Just remove the deadness. An empty container is fine. But if you have time to plant a little something in there, and you happen to have it on hand and it's not causing you stress, even a small going to grow plant looks better than dead plants. Please eliminate them. If you don't want to deal with it, just put it away where no one can see it. It'll be fine. And finally, soap, hand soap. Now you probably pick up these little beautiful hotel soaps that come in a little bag, and then you start using them, and then you're using them and you're using them, and it's getting scummy and it's down to a sliver, and you just keep using. Throw that away. Get something like this, which is a pump soap. That means every time it comes out, it's fresh, there's no scum, they wash their hands, and then they dry them on that guest towel that you've put in there, because we don't do paper towels, and you are set. And just like that, our space is ready. And if you get anything useful out of these videos, keep it to yourself. Just rambling now for no particular, who cares about, okay. Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.